Hello and welcome to this very short TouchDesigner tutorial. Here I will explain to you how to bring your Windows audio coming from all the apps, Spotify, Deezer, YouTube, Google Chrome, your friend talking on Discord, like everything into TouchDesigner. In order to do this, you can go on this website. I will put the link in the description and download this. So it seems to work also for Mac, but I don't know macOS at all, so I cannot help you for this. So download it. You will have this zip file. You can extract it like this or like this. Once you did it, you go into the folder and you find the VB cable setup. Once you installed it, you should restart your computer, so Windows make sure that the drivers are correctly installed. When it's done, let's understand a bit how it works. So we have three main components. We have this one, and this one, and one here. So we have first the Windows, Windows audio. Okay, it's ugly, I'm sorry. We have the Windows audio, we have TouchDesigner, we have the virtual cable we just installed, and here is the output to a speaker or headphone, whatever. Speaker. Usually what you can do is do this, or do this, or do the same, both at the same time. But what I want is to take the audio from Windows, put it in TouchDesigner, analyze it, the audio to make the visual react, and then output it in the speaker. Okay? In order to do this, we install the VB cable. So we have 3 steps. Output the audio from Windows apps into VB cable. Step 1. Step 2. Bring this audio inside of TouchDesigner. And step 3, output this audio in the speaker. So it allows to use all the audio sources you want inside of Windows, analyze it in real time thanks to TouchDesigner, create some visuals or data or whatever you want with TouchDesigner processing, but output at the same time in the speaker. So once the VB cable is installed and you restarted your computer, you can, here, you can see that you have your different outputs. Périphérique de sortie in French means device out. So this is the one I use to listen to music on my speakers. This is my main output, it's written. Anyway, now I want to do step 1. So I want to say to Windows Audio to output into the virtual cable. So here I can see that I have VB audio virtual cable and 2 VB audio virtual cable. So maybe there is 2 different cables, but I will use this one. I never use this one. So let's use this one. So now by doing this, by selecting this, I made the step 1. Step 2, we're gonna open TouchDesigner and say that the audio device in is the virtual cable. Audio device in, device, cable output, VB audio virtual cable. So now if I play music, I reduce the volume. So if I play music, we can see that it's oscillating here. We have data. Okay, But what I want to do now is to say that I want to output it, this audio in the speaker. So in TouchDesigner, connect this to audio device out, and now select the speaker, the device you usually use to manage, to display, to output your sounds or your music. Sorry, I'm tired. English is complicated for me. So now if I do this, I can hear the music. Cool. Okay, nice. It's not... Yeah, okay, I can hear it. Okay, so this simple setup is useless, but you can do a lot of different things. You can now display visuals according to the music and hear it and work on it at the same time. And if you don't want to use Spotify anymore, you can go on YouTube and I don't know, like this. Really easy to use. And if you want to analyze the sound in real time, you can use a tool I developed. It's on my Patreon. So it's called ARE for audio-reactive engine. There is a full tutorial that explains how to use it and how to dynamically have audio-reactive visuals thanks to this component. And yeah, you can, let me find it and show it to you. So once you're here, you can download it. And yeah, once it's downloaded, you can, where is it? Okay. Here, you can drag and drop it here. And audio device in, do this. And if you play your audio, you can now analyze a lot of different things, like the kick. I don't know how the music sounds. Okay, because I didn't set up the output. So again, you see, it works good. And you can output lots of parameters, but I will explain all of this in another tutorial. The link is in the bio. But yeah, this is the way you can import the music live in real time into TouchDesigner and listen to it at the same time in your speakers. I hope you enjoyed this 8 minutes. It's a record for me, tutorial, and I wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye, bisous.